The overall goal of this procedure is to assess the progressive neurological impairment in mice with chronic demyelinating diseases. We accomplish this by offering recommendations of testing parameters suitable for studying long-term neurological disability in the Thyler's virus model of progressive multiple sclerosis, using the Rotarod test.
This procedure provides a baseline against which to assess the relevance of mouse model to progressive demyelination and its usefulness for testing therapies aimed at treating progressive neurological conditions such as multiple sclerosis. The advantage of this optimized test over the traditional visual scoring system is that it generates an objective variable to quantify the long-term effect of therapies and experimental procedures on motor functions. Demonstrating this procedure will be Darlene Royce, a technician from the Laboratory of Neuroimmunology at Dartmouth.
In order to assess baseline balance coordination and motor control, start the adaptation protocol 5 days prior to TMEV infection by first allowing the mice to acclimate to the testing room for at least 30 minutes. While the mice are acclimating, preset the Rotarod with the -5 DPI training parameters. Then, pick up a mouse by the tail and place it on the rod facing away from the operator. If the mouse falls or jumps, place it back in its lane on the Rotarod until all mice are in position.